Issue 118. More fiddly bits, some piping looking stuff. We're going to have to screw onto this reactor platform. Let's, dang, I gotta sharpen that again, or is it getting caught up on some funky junk? I need to clean this. I was cutting some boxes with it the other day, some tape. Okay, first up, this little cylinder piece here. It's gonna go right up in here, it looks like. Let me verify. Yep, and we're going to attach it with an AP screw. So we have 3 different screws for some reason, just to make things difficult on this build. Okay. AP. Oh, this thing has some words on it. We'll try to get you up close up to that, see what's going on there. AP. Load that up. Let's see how we're going to do this. Hold that. Okay. Now some of this piping here. Looks like it's going to go here and then wrap around back there, but in Eaglemoss's typical fashion, to make it difficult, we got to use an FP screw up front and an EP screw in the back, of course. So FP is going to be what I'm calling the front, which is actually the back of the platform, to make it even more complicated on my brain. But this big guy, the big guy, the big guy. Oh, come on. This video is dedicated to Douglas, just because I know you're out there. Alright, that one's in place. And you know what? I'm going to do a little twofer while I got these screws in play. I'm going to put the other side on. A little mirror. Covering up all that cable work I had to do earlier. A few issues back. Kinda. Wow. This should not be that complicated. Get my freaking sausage fingers up in here. Well, this thing doesn't sit down on there very well. That's one problem. We'll see if we can get it snug up with the little screw. Okay. Now the backs are going to have the EPs. On the back sides of this piping. Yes, sir. It's a hot one out there today, but I have my air conditioning off for your listening pleasure. And yeah, I was chatting with Ebomi on. Told him, I was like, I see these kits going on eBay right now, Some of them, these later kits, are going for $200, $250 a pop, especially those last 4. It's like, that's a dilemma, but these, like this issue, I didn't check, but the previous one from this was like 50, selling for like 50 or so. So I make sure all these are snugged down, which is way more than what I paid for the issue. But then I wouldn't be able to finish my set, so I don't think I could live with myself, even though I could possibly resell mine, get that money. Sometimes it all ain't about that. We gotta have some type of mindset here. Okay, this part has some words on it. I'll try to get it up close for you, but let me try to read it first. Actually, you know what? Let's see if we can use the magnifying feature on my phone. There we go. Warning. Connect power cable correctly. 24 volt is ground. And this one in the middle. Warning. Reverse covers to seal vent. And this one, keep air filter clean and oiler check daily and after each move. Yeah, I really doubt Doc had all that on there, but maybe. That's a detail I didn't even look for when I saw the replica car at Universal Studios, the video Bob built for them. I really wish I had spent more time trying to take pictures of it. I just didn't realize it was the actual one that Video Bob had built at the time. I just thought it was, I knew it wasn't like authentic movie prop, so, and it was sitting outside just in terrible disarray, but yeah, hindsight, you know, Video Bob really made those screen accurate as possible, so this one's going to be an AP screw. AP screw. And this should do it for this issue. Oh, come on. Alright. There we go. Douglas, we're done with this issue. 118 in the books, and overall it went on pretty easily. There's a little story action there. I don't know what's going on here. I kind of lost interest on the stuff at the back of these books here, but there it is. Boom.